Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how to add a project manager and other internal stakeholders as team members for the particular project within the project application in KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the project's application, he or she can click on the project to which the team members need to be assigned. The details view of the project is displayed. Here, for each item, the team members can be assigned. By clicking on the item, the overview of the particular item is displayed. Here, the user can navigate to the Internal Stakeholders tab, and all the team members who have been previously assigned will be displayed. In order to assign a new team member, the user can type in the name of the employee, select their practice, select their role in the project, and this is crucial because the selection which is done here will determine the access for the particular employee within this project. The project manager will have access to almost all the things within this project. Then the secondary project role is selected, and the tenure for this particular person in this particular role is also selected. Then the location of work and the cost details for the employee is also entered. If invoicing need to be done for this particular employee for the actions performed by him, the billable can be clicked. And if incentives are to be provided for the employee, the incentive checklist is clicked. Once done, the resource can be allocated. Here, the admin persona can delete this particular persona, can duplicate the same, and can also edit and view the changes made for this particular employee. Thank you for watching.